Hey guys, we received this tomtoc 360 protector laptop shoulder bag for test and try. So this bag is really nice for your like say MacBook Pro or any MacBook Air and other laptops that goes. So let me just open. So this have a shoulder one and also the hand handle. From the side, this have a pocket here to put in your electronic gadgets like the chargers and everything. So let me just take out everything and set it up and show it to you. So you can see like you can put in the charger, cable, docking or any other stuff here, very soft inside. And the zipper is also nice. You can also put in your keys and things. So this is basically a very nice modern stuff. And then this is the main zipper where you can put in your laptop and the MacBook Air thing. So from the corner also is very protective in the side and also like the soft cushion to give or not scratch your laptop. So you can see like the corners here, it is very protective and keep it there. So just the shoulder or the what I will say is like a uh, shoulder strap that you can use and also like have this back pocket for your documents or any small stuff. So basically a very nice combination thing. And say if you're putting your laptop in, this goes in the corner side and is protect the corner as well. So I like you can use it like as a handle for the shoulder strap, side pocket, back pocket, and good. So now I'm trying to, replace this with this MacBook Air. This is a M3 MacBook Air, and you can see it really slides well. And from the corners also, this is very protective. So from all the corners, as you can see, it written here as well. And then it's protected all the corners. The size is really a good fit for the MacBook Air, and is a very soft thing, so that will not scratch your MacBook. So I like this case as in case is very protective as you can see that it will not scratch and is very smooth from the corners and the sides have the chargers and everything. And then in the zipper pocket very have a handle and the shoulder strap. So it's pretty easy to carry and take anywhere. So you can see it have this charger. You can easily put in here cable and every stuff, all the small docking and then the pens and notebooks and you can easily carry this anywhere you want. So it's pretty handy as you can see. You can just use it in a shoulder one or in the hands like that. So it's a pretty good, I will say, and then a very nice and portable case for your MacBook Air or any other laptop. So this looks good as well and a small factor case as you can see. So really a good, nice fit. Hope you like this as well.